One of the coolest ways to make money in today's world is by making money online. But oftentimes it's easier said than done because it's very tough getting jobs online. For you to start making money online, you need to have a set of digital skills, or you have something of value that you can exchange for money. And that way you can now start making money online. And that is why I want to share with you 15 best side hustles you can start today and start making money online. And number one is virtual assistant. Virtual assistant is very highly sought after in today's world. In fact, many business owners hire virtual assistants because it's cheaper to get a virtual assistant than hiring professionals to do a certain task for you. If you want to succeed as a virtual assistant, you need to have a certain set of skills that will stand you out amongst every other person, like web designing, copywriting, how to use Canva, data entry, and all the rest of them. These are things that you can bring to the table, and the people that hired you will not let you go that easily. And as a virtual assistant, you can get jobs anywhere. You can get jobs on social media, you can get jobs on highbyron.com, you can even get jobs on Fiverr, Upwork, and all the rest of them. So go ahead and try out virtual assistants. But before you get started, I recommend that you learn a certain set of skills that will help you stand out amongst every other virtual assistant out there. And that brings us to number two. And number two is YouTube channel management. I know it sounds like it's easy to run a YouTube channel, but you don't know what goes on behind the scene. And as a YouTube manager, you can do thumbnail design, description, title, come up with the title, even come up with the video idea, video script, and all the rest of them. And then come up with the keywords, the right keywords for the title, the right keywords for the description, the right keywords for the tags, and all the rest of them. Running a YouTube channel is a lot of work. And as a YouTube channel manager, you can help channel owners manage their YouTube and help them grow. So if you have a knowledge on how to grow a YouTube channel, what YouTube actually entails, how to design a good thumbnail, how to write a good compelling description, how to write a good compelling title, and all the rest of them, then this job is definitely for you, and you're going to make a lot of money from it. Trust me, you're going to make a lot of money as a YouTube channel manager. And then the next one is transcription services. You can help people convert their videos or audios to text. So you transcribe whatever they are saying in the audio or in the video and then convert it to a text, maybe a book or something. And it's so easy to do because it's something that you can do with apps like Otter. Otter is an app that helps you transcribe audio or video to text. So all you have to do is to play the audio to the app, and the app will transcribe it for you. You do your proofreading, correct the text, and send to your client, and you get paid for it. There's a lot of platforms that you can get a job as a transcriber. Platforms like happyscribe.com, castingwords.com, transcribeme.com, gotranscript.com, transcriptionhub.com, rev.com, gmrtranscription.com, and so many others. And the next one is social media management. Social media management is one of the coolest ways to make money online in today's world. It's something that you can do conveniently and comfortably from the comfort of your home without stress. You know, you're sipping your coffee and then you're doing your work and getting paid for it. How cool is that? Now, social media management involves a lot of things. It involves creating content, uploading content, posting captions, running ads, and even posting tweets on Twitter or Facebook. There's a lot of things you can actually do as a social media manager. Whichever one you have the skill in is something that you can offer and you get paid for it. And there's a lot of platforms you can achieve this. You can do this as a freelancer on Instagram. You can do this on Fiverr, Upwork, and all the rest of them. So go ahead and try out social media management and thank me later. And then the next one is teaching a language. You can teach people different languages if you know how to speak a particular language that a lot of people don't know how to speak or would love to learn how to speak, or even their native dialect. A lot of people that are Igbos or Yoruba, they don't know how to speak Yoruba. A lot of people that are Hausas, they don't know how to speak Hausa. You can teach them their language online. You can have a WhatsApp group. You can teach on YouTube. You can teach on Instagram. You can teach online and get paid for it. There's a lot of people that will wish to learn their languages or a foreign language, and that is how you're going to be making money from the comfort of your home, just teaching people the language that you know comfortably. You just teach them the language and you get paid for it. You can even go to your local church and talk to parents. You can teach their kids online. You can do adverts on Instagram or Twitter or even TikTok and get people and put them in a WhatsApp group and then teach them over a period of time. You can use WhatsApp voice notes for communication. So it's very easy for you to do online. In fact, it's easier to be done online, because everybody can learn in the comfort of their home at their convenience. So if you have a particular time that you teach, even if they are not online at that particular time, they can always come online later and then catch up. So this is a very good way for you to make money. And trust me, there's a lot of people out there that want to learn a particular language that you know how to speak. So why don't you go ahead and monetize it? And trust me, there's a lot of people out there, thousands and even millions of people that are willing to learn that language that you know how to speak fluently. Even English, the English we speak, there's a lot of people that don't speak English. So you can even teach English. There's a lot of people that I know online that are teaching English. Even to an English speaking person, they teach those people English. Like, people enroll to be taught English and they even know how to speak English. So this is something that you wouldn't have to stress yourself looking for clients that is going to patronize you, because there are lots of them out there. And then the next one is selling on marketplace like Fiverr, Upwork, and the rest of them. I have a 21 list of Fiverr alternatives right here. So click here now and then watch it after this video so that you can learn 21 Fiverr alternatives that you can use to make money online. Trust me, you can list different kind of services like the ones I've mentioned previously. You can list them and make money off of it. Trust me, you're going to make a lot of money on these platforms. There are 21 of them, and if you sign up on all the 21 of them, there's no way you will not get an order every day. There's no way you will not get an order every day. So imagine if you're earning as low as $10 or $20 online every day for 365 days. Do you know how much that is? So please make sure you watch this video to learn how you can sign up with all the platforms. And then next one is selling on Creative Market. If you are a photographer, if you're a digital creator, you can sell your digital product on Creative Market and make a lot of money from it. Just go ahead and try out. Creative Market is a platform that helps you sell your digital products, and they sell really fast and they pay well. You can even sell graphics, fonts, templates, add-ons, photos, like pictures. Like, you can take pictures and sell it on Creative Market. You can see all these ones are pictures that people took in their homes or anywhere, and then you can put it up for sale, and then people are going to buy it and pay you for it. It's amazing. And it's an amazing platform. Just go over to creativemarket.com, try it out. Then if you have any digital products, you just list it up there and get sterling immediately. Some people create like Instagram templates, Instagram reel templates, Instagram highlights, covers, and all that, and then sell it on Creative Market, and they make a lot of money from it. I've bought a couple of things from Creative Market, and I'm currently selling a couple of things also on Creative Market. So you can really use Creative Market to make a lot of money for yourself right from the comfort of your home. And that brings us to the next one, which is teaching on Skillshare, Tutely, or even YouTube. Now, these platforms are places that you can make money as an educator. Like, if you have a particular skill or if you know a particular thing about a particular topic, you can teach people and then get paid for it. You can do it on Tutely.com, you can do it on Skillshare.com, even on YouTube here. In as much as it looks like we are sharing all this information for free, but we get ad revenues, right? We get paid by YouTube at the end of every month. So you can go ahead and share your knowledge about a particular topic and get paid for it. Go ahead and sign up on all these platforms. It's not easy. Yes, you're going to create the courses, but you're going to make a whole lot of money from it from the comfort of your home. And that brings us to the next one, which is copywriting. In fact, copywriting is much easier now because you won't have writer's block, because there is something called ChatGPT. So you can use ChatGPT anytime you encounter writer's block. And there's a lot of ways you can make money as a copywriter. You can write copies for people, for their ads, websites, newsletter, and all whatnot. All you have to do is to list your services on all these platforms that I mentioned earlier, and then you start getting jobs and get paid instantly for your copywriting skills. And it's cool because you're doing this from the comfort of your home. And again, it's a side hustle. It's not like something that will pay you big time, like $1,000 per hour, but it's something that you can use to make a whole lot of money online over time. And the next one is more of offline and then some part of online, and that is renting your cars, right? I know you can rent your car online. Nobody can drive a car online, right? But what you can do is, if you have a car sit at home and then you're not going anywhere, you're working from home, you can actually put that car to work. All you have to do is to promote online that you have car rental services, and people can hire the car. You can get a driver and people can hire the car per day, rent the car for the day, and the driver will take them to wherever they want, and at the end of the day you get paid, and then you pay the driver and you make something off of it. So this is another way to monetize some of the things that you own that you don't use because you work from home, you don't really go anywhere. So instead of your car sitting in the lot and not doing anything for weeks and months, someone like me, you can actually put it to work and make money off of it instead of it just parking there. So put it to work, do an advert online on Instagram, Facebook, post it on your Instagram, post it on your Facebook, post it on your WhatsApp. I know a lot of people actually in Abuja, Lagos that are using this to make a lot of money. They started out like this as a side hustle, but they now saw that it's very lucrative, and then they doubled down, they got more cars, they got cars from their friends, and then it became a very big company. So if you own a car and then you work from home, then why don't you just give it a try? But please make sure you don't give them your car to drive, because for us in Nigeria, we don't have that technology yet or that security yet to give someone, a random person, your car and then hope that they bring it back at the end of the day, right? You're going to make sure that you assign a driver anytime someone wants to rent your car. And that brings us to the next one, and that is flipping products and services. If you go on platforms like Gigi or Facebook Marketplace, you're going to see a lot of products that are very, very cheap. All you can do is to call those people and negotiate the products or the items that they put up there or the services that they put up there, and then if you get a good price, you take the picture and then put it on your WhatsApp stories, put it on your Instagram, and then put your own price. And once someone indicates interest and wants to pay for it, all you have to do is to contact these people and then put the person's address, and then they'll ship it to this person and you get paid. You're not actually doing anything, you're just taking commission for promoting another person's job. So let's just call it affiliate marketing, right? But all you need to do is to just go to Facebook Marketplace right now and look at products within your vicinity, within your locality, or even outside of your locality, because it's online. There's no barriers, right? So you take the pictures and put it on your WhatsApp, do adverts, let people know, okay, that there's this product available, and you get paid whenever someone buys the product. You can even post it on Instagram, Twitter, or even TikTok and get more people and get more coverage. I'm going to be doing a special tutorial for this in subsequent videos to come. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss videos like that when I upload them. And don't fail to turn on all post notifications so that you'll be first to be notified whenever I upload new videos like this. And that brings us to the next one, and that is selling digital products. Selling digital products is a no-brainer. Like, I can't overemphasize the need for everyone that is trying to make money online to own at least 1 or 2 digital products that they can sell conveniently and comfortably without any stress. All you have to do is to maybe ebook, maybe a template or something, but it's a recurring fee. You just do the work one time and then you get paid over and over again for it. So please go ahead and think of digital products you can create and then use it to make money for yourself. Is a very, very good way to make money online passively. You just create the product one time and then you start selling it over and over and over and over again to many people, millions of people out there. So go ahead and create your own digital product today and thank me later. And then the next one is creating YouTube thumbnails. There's a lot of people that are struggling with their YouTube thumbnails. You can create a 30 YouTube thumbnail package for someone, and then the person pays you upfront, and anytime they need a thumbnail, they'll contact you, you design the thumbnail for them and give it to them. And there are some people that even before creating the content, they already have the topic in mind, so they can also give you that, and then you create all the thumbnails for them and send to them ahead of time. So all they need to do is to record the videos like this and then use the thumbnail and get a high click-through rate. So if you're a good graphic designer, you might want to consider doing this and making money off of it. So creating YouTube thumbnail is a very good way to make money online, because there's a lot of people that need your services out there. All you need to do is to reach out to them. You can find them on Fiverr, you can find them on Facebook. Just type in YouTube channel owners or anything related to YouTube. You'll see lots of groups, lots of pages, lots of groups, and then go into those groups and market your services, and then you're going to get people hire you to do the job, and you're going to do it conveniently and comfortably from the comfort of your home. And talking about making money from the comfort of your home, I recommend that you watch this video next to learn more ways you can make money online from the comfort of your home. Thanks for watching and see you on the other side.